Breaking news. You can now create a faceless AI news channel that does have a face, but it's not yours, it's an AI-created face. Guess what? Most news channels, depending on a topic, have a really high CPM rate on YouTube, which means per 1,000 views, you're gonna get a lot of money compared to all the other types of YouTube channels on this platform. And you can create and get these videos out super fast. It takes only like 2 minutes to do research and not even 10 minutes to create and upload the video. That really is the secret sauce of this video, because you've got to be up to date if you have a news channel, and this allows you to do so really easily and really quickly. The perfect part of this AI YouTube channel strategy is that you can make both quick cash and long-term cash, even into generational wealth, because people are always going to be wanting to be updated on the latest news in the world, whether it's news on technologies like AI, political news, which makes a lot of money right now, especially because the older demographic is getting onto YouTube a lot more, or gaming news. The money-making possibilities with this are endless. Before we dive into today's content, take a moment to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. So, let's start creating an AI news channel on YouTube. This process is really quick and easy. It's insane how AI can do this these days. First thing we want to do is find a niche and search for articles that came out today, at least with a maximum of 6 hours old. So, my niche will be AI, and I'm just gonna go and type AI and go to the News tab. You'll find all these articles that came out 6 hours, 1 hour ago, and if you really want to be the quickest out there, you're going to go to Tools, Past Hour, and then you'll find all these articles. So, search for one that is most interesting to you. This last half hour, I've seen a lot of these articles. Researchers develop AI model that accurately predicts cancer outcomes from tissue samples. So, I'm gonna go and open this in a new tab, and the first thing I want to do is click on this link and copy it. Then go to your favorite text editor and just paste it in here. After you've read the article, make sure it is worth sharing. Copy this article and hit Ctrl+Shift+V so that it pastes properly, and then you're done with the first part. Then you want to go to the first link in the description that says, "Hey Jen," and this surface is where all the magic happens. This is the most insane tool ever for faceless YouTube channels, because you can have all sorts of talking videos. In our case, we want to go to the Template tab. We're going to go to Breaking News, we're going to go to See All, and these are all these news templates. You might wonder who all these people are. These are AI-generated news hosts, and all we're gonna do is paste the text, and they're literally gonna read it out like they're on the news. So, let's choose this modern breaking news one, and it gives you a little preview. That's beautiful. Let's use this template, and we only have to do a couple of things. First of all, we're gonna delete everything after recording, then we're going back to our little text file, and we're gonna mention the name of the website that the article comes from, Hindustan Time. We're gonna type here, Hindustan Time, comma, and then we're gonna copy this whole article and paste it in. Now, for this educational purpose, I will put the first part of the article in here so that it loads quicker. There's a couple of things we can do. So, the first one is when we go back to the article, what we want to do is take this title, copy it, double-click here, and paste it. It's going to be a little bit too big, so we're gonna make this smaller, something like 36. Put it here. I'd like to put AI News in front of it because our channel is AI News. Maybe 160. That's beautiful. And the last step is to submit, and then it creates a video, and it's done. Now, there's a lot of different things you can do. You can change the voice if you want to. You can change the speed and pitch. You can put extra text in here, extra elements, upload elements, change the so-called avatar, which is the person talking, and you can also change and dial in some settings for the music. But I'm satisfied with this, so I'm going to go ahead and submit. It'll ask you for confirmation. It takes 1 credit, so I'm gonna go and submit it, and then it's gonna load in. Now, if you want to try this out, I would highly recommend the following, which is going to give you a little discount. You go to pricing. You want to put it monthly so that you can try it out for 1 month. Then you're gonna change the 30 to 15, which makes it the cheapest one, apart from the free one, because the cheapest one is going to give you premium voices to make the sound quality way better and way more realistic. It's going to give you outer captions, which I'll talk about a little bit later, and it's gonna give you no watermarks, which is the most important one. And with this, you can make a video every other day, which is a great start. I did a 30-day challenge with this, where I not only made the money back, but I made a lot of profit as well. So, I highly recommend starting out with that. I made so much profit that after 20 days, I switched over to the yearly one, which saved me a lot of money in the long term. The creator package is absolutely perfect for this. Just save yourself one meal at McDonald's, and you can pay for this first month, which is gonna give you the money back instantly when you make ad revenue and put some affiliate links in the description of your videos. I just received an email that my video is ready, so let's go and play it. This is beautiful. What we're gonna do is download the original video, and if you invested in yourself, the SRT file will be very important as well. So, go ahead and download that too. Now we're gonna go and drag and drop this file into the YouTube upload page. Go back to your text file and copy everything from your text document and paste it into here. I'm gonna write, please write a YouTube video description, include the link of the article, also add relevant tags. Now it's going to create the video description, and that is all we need. We're gonna go and copy this and paste it into here, and we're gonna delete the text that says, description and title, and we're going to copy and paste the title in here, add breaking news. A little tip is to make it maximum 50 characters, which makes it way more visible. Then go click next, and then you want to go and add the subtitles. YouTube will automatically generate subtitles, but if you go back and download this SRT file and upload it here, what it's going to do is it's going to read everything in the article that is being said in the video, and it's gonna rank these words higher into the algorithm, making sure that your video gets more viewed. That way, you can earn more ad revenue and have more people clicking on your affiliate links. And when it's the English by YouTube automatic, it does not do that, so keep that in mind. Go and click next, no copyright issues found. Let's go click next again, and then click publish. And there's your first beautiful AI faceless YouTube channel news video. Please make sure to go and click the link in the description so that you can try this out for yourself. And if you really want to go and do this and invest in yourself, kind of pricing and get the monthly cheapest one for yourself, and that way you don't spend a lot of money. We're gonna get it back anyway by the ad revenue and affiliate links, so try it out. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. Before end the video, let's watch the news that I created.
According to Hindustan Times, the innovative approach, described in the journal Nature Communications, analyses the spatial arrangement of cells in tissue samples. Stay tuned with breaking news on HT channel on Facebook. Join now. Cell spatial organization is like a complex jigsaw puzzle where each cell serves as a unique piece, fitting together meticulously to form a cohesive tissue or organ structure, the researchers said.